G'day YouTubers and computer nerds, Loke here. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and possibly installing the EK Supremacy Evo desktop CPU water cooling block. It is going to be replacing the Evo AMX that I have installed here on my AMD desktop PC. I've just recently made some upgrades to the water cooling, and after 6 months of use the block has decided to leak. So I'm going to be replacing it with this, unboxing it, installing the AMD jet plate for it, and just see how far we get. So let's take a look here. There goes something. Jet plate, screws, standoffs. User guide. It comes with Thermal Grizzly thermal paste, but I've got some Arctic Silver that I have just recently purchased because I prefer the Arctic Silver. There's a jet plate, but I'm not sure. Or there's actually I don't think that's a jet plate. I don't know what that is. The jet plates are the little flat things, but that'll be something. Anything else? Oh, and we have the mounting bracket. I'm not sure if this is for AMD or Intel, whatever. And then, empty box, we have the crown jewel. The thing that I already like about this over the MX is that it's got in and out here. Now, you know, it's not really anything, but well, it is. I mean, on the instruction manual of the old one, it's got the in and out on the instruction manual. It doesn't actually have it on the block, but this one does. So so you know, that's a plus in my eye anyway. So let me go and remove it here. It's very shiny and it's quite it's got quite a bit of weight to it. Well, I mean, not really, but it does. So yeah, let's I'm gonna take a look at the instruction manual here and swap out, see if I need to swap out this jet plate. Let me just take a quick look. So AMD FX will be optimal insert is I2 and the optimal jet plate is J2. So I wonder if this has got it. Let me take these jet plates out here real quick. Yeah, okay, so these are just there's the jet plates. Don't think it's got whether like which one's which marked on it. Yeah, so this one here is the AMD jet plate. So we need to go ahead and start unscrewing this. Just when you unscrew these, when you need to take the base plate off, just peel this back, like, you know, don't take it all the way off because you want to minimize the fingerprints and scratches that you're possibly gonna. Just take the four corners, peel them back like that, and then just unscrew them. And then, you know, like it's, I don't know if it's, you know, I like to kind of start at one, like the bottom and top of one either side, and then just, you know, take the screws out like so, and make sure you don't lose them. So just very, you know, I mean, these are pretty weighty and that, but you don't want to be, you know, doing anything that's going to break them. You know, it'd be much better if I had a workbench, but in this tiny little apartment, there's no workbench. Sometimes the supervisors of this apartment, like, they'll let me use the office because it's a lot bigger workspace. But let's go ahead and, are you gonna come off? Okay. Yep. And there's the O-ring. Oh, there goes the jet plate. Okay, so that was the jet plate that was in there. We're not using that. There's the bottom of the cooler. That's the bit that cools the water cooling process. And now this insert. Now that insert is the one that came out, and I'm pretty sure yeah, this is the insert that's going in. So that one came out, this one's going in. So, and look, it's you can't really, I'm not really sure you're going to be able to see it, but like right there under where my finger is and same with that one, like right there, it's marked 1 and 2. So let's put those over there. That needs to stay there. We got 2, and so we've got these here. Oh no, I forgot how that came out. Damn it. So wait, which way is that gonna go? Like that? Nope, I don't think so. I think it's gonna go like that. That looks better. Okay, that's better. Okay, so is that right? Oh god. Yeah, so there we go, like that. Aha. So that slots in back there like that. Okay, that's got oil on it. Now that goes back on there. This goes back on here like this. Let me see if I can. I wonder how this jet plate's going to go. So that the jet plate will sit like that. Like this. Yep, there we go. So the jet plate sits on there like that. I'm not sure if that's right. I thought the bottom of this had to run. Actually, let me just see here. So that's how it'll sit like that, and then yeah, okay, now I've got it. Whoop. Okay, let's take one screw. I'm pretty sure I've got it installed the right way. Only time will tell, I guess, right? So got that first screw in. Oh, you know what? Before I do that, I should give you... See the fins? The fins always have to run like across this way, have to run across the jet plate. So those fins there, when you're reinstalling this, should always run this way across the jet plate. Okay, so slide that one in there. That one in there. And we'll put that one in there. Put that one in there. So the screws back in, and you just proceed to tighten them down. I'm hoping that this CPU water cooling block is better than the last one, because the last one, the EK Evo MX cost me $60 Australian, and this cost me $89 Australian. So I hope this is worth $20, literally worth $20 more, because I only got really 6 to 8 months use out of the last one. So. And I didn't keep the receipt, so I'm not getting a warranty. And then last screw, and that is good. Alright, so I think you just finger tight, or a little bit more than finger tight. You know, you don't want to actually, yeah, that's got it. You don't want to thread them, but you want to make sure that it's in there firmly. Yeah. Alright, that's done. Look, so the screws are back. We've changed out the AMD thingamajiggy. I really hope I installed everything correctly. So that's that for the unboxing and the now it's time to get into the installation, because it's going to sit in there, because as you can see, that water block is leaking. That's why I've got the tissue there. So let's get on with it. Hope you guys can see alright. So the first things first, I need to disconnect this and drain the water. So pretty much all I'm going to do is take off this hose clamp here, like so. And so take that off like that. And then get, this bowl should be good enough. I'll just use this bowl. Actually, no, I won't. This here, just using this crappy container, and then I will pull this plug. So yeah, we're just draining the water. Not really the best way to drain, but whatever. Close enough is good enough. So you'll sit there like that, give you a bit of a turn. Hopefully that'll be all. Nope, still feels like there's a little bit more in there. Yeah, I knew it. And I wonder if, so that's coming out of there, and then out into here. Actually, take that, put that down there. Let's grab this hose and let's, okay, yep, so there's still a bit more water in there. Let's just go ahead and, I don't know how smart this is, but I'm going to turn it on. I don't know if this is a very intelligent idea, but to drain all the water, which it looks, no, there's still water in there. So it's coming out. You know what, I'm not going to be worried with that for the minute. I'm just going to take this off of here. This water cooling business is really, I mean, it's worth it once it's all done, but the process that it takes to get there is, I mean, it's for your first few goes, it's questionable. It honestly is. Still got more water coming out. Yeah, so if you're just an everyday computer user and, you know, computers aren't your life, then water cooling's probably not worth it. But if you're a bit of an enthusiast and a bit of a tech guru like myself, then there's the power. There's the power right there. Let's plug that in. We need to get this water out. Okie dokie. I think that's about as much water as we're going to get out of there. So now we need to start looking at taking out some of these other tubes. Need to get a cloth. So I'm going to come undone this one here. I need you to come off from there. Where'd the ball go? So let's put that there like that to catch touch any water. And let's go ahead and take you, well, we don't want the whole computer to come off the desk. That would be disastrous. Alright, that's looking good. So far so good. So we've got our major hoses disconnected. I'll put that back up there. This would be so much easier with another pair of hands. Put that there. And we are going to remove our bay res combo. There's our bay res combo out. We're just going to sit that down somewhere over here. And now we're going to take off the I don't know if you can see. Let me zoom in. Okay, the CPU block is in under here where my finger's pointing, so that needs to come out. Let's go ahead and remove this last hose. Hopefully there's no more water in there. Let's go ahead and get our rag just in case. Okay, there's no more water. Awesome. I don't need that anymore. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to take the CPU block off. The water cooling block. It's got to come off. Out with the old and with the new. Actually, should be, yeah, no, I should do that. Let's take that cover off so that we can catch the back plate. The installation of these EK water blocks for CPUs is really, it's probably better than some water coolers that I've seen, to be honest with you. I mean, the Noctua D14 is arguably the best performing and most easy installation that I've ever seen on an air cooler. But I mean, these EK water blocks, it's pretty damn easy. God, I hope the CPU didn't come with the water block. No, it didn't. Awesome. Woohoo! Yes, the CPU stayed in there. Oh my god, there was still a bit of water. It's all good. So yeah, that's the this is the old one. And if you look on the, well, actually, you know what? I need to get those off, don't I? See, if you look on the front there, you can't really tell because it's black, but pardon me, there's no in or out. You just you just know, to be honest with you. Have a look on the insides here. Yeah, that's all right. It's good. We're good. Okie dokie. So let's keep these fittings over here so that they are accessible. Where are we at now? We've got to clean the thermal paste off the top of the CPU. I think you'll be able to see. So in here, the thermal paste where my finger's pointing. Just got to wipe that off just with a, old pair of jocks or singlet or t-shirt or cotton or something. I find is, that's what I use, and I've never had a problem with it. A lot of you'll see a lot of people on YouTube, if you look at installing thermal grease on CPUs, a lot of them are really pedantic with the process of applying the thermal grease. And to be honest with you, the only process that you need to be pedantic with when it comes to installing or applying thermal grease is how you handle the CPU. Like once you put the CPU in the socket, it's fine. You're good to go. You could just apply. But people talk about methods of a cross and applying it with a business card and spreading it across evenly. Once you just put a blob on the middle there, and I don't mean a big blob. I'm just talking like use your imagination. Like probably what have I got here to. See the end of that, this screw, about the end of that, an area and thickness of the end of this screw is about as much thermal paste that you need. You watch these other tech nerds on YouTube and they're, you got to do it this way and this way works best. It's just a blob. Neither works better than the other. Honestly, I've been doing this for 13 years. Alrighty, so that's now let's have a look. Now we've got to figure out how we're going to install this. So that's going to sit there like that. Oh my god, this might not even actually work. I don't think this is going to work. Not good. Let's it says it's for AMD. I mean, it wouldn't have an AMD, an AM3 jet plate if it wasn't for AMD. Or maybe I have to swap that out. Does that have to be swapped? Oh. Yeah, let me have a look here. This is not looking good. Just pull this. Oh my god, talk about idiot proof. Alrighty, now let's have a look. Okay. I wonder if that's the back plate. So that might have to come out of there, like so. Yep, it definitely comes out of there. This is the back plate. Okay, now we're getting somewhere, I hope. Maybe that sits there. That actually does look like it sits there. Does that sit there? Nope, it doesn't sit there. Okie dokie, what do we got? Let's when all else fails, let's refer, there's the 2011 instruction set, there's the LGA, step 3, there's the one. 5 AMD sockets. Okay, yep, so I've done that. Replace the Intel factory installed mounting plate with the AMD one. You will need to feel the mounting plate locking onto position when placed correctly. Oh my god. Idiot Luke. Helps if you read the instructions.